know. So the baby has to have at least one band on at all times, okay? So if one falls off, don't worry, but if the second one falls off, let the nurses know, okay? Because he needs that for his identification.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, sweet pea. Let's get this in your eyes. This is ointment to protect his eyes from infection, okay?
Mm-hmm.
So we just put it in once. And then we don't wipe it out. We just wait, and when he's back, then that's a good boy. And this injection is for his blood clot, okay? Let that dry a little because it'll sting. And Kelly was in there upside down. His legs are all... Sweetie. All done. All done. I promise. No more.
Injekcje.
Okay. Okay. Okay, stay right there. I'm just going to get a one. Okay?
Onem. Onem. Onem, puccini.